Introduction to Milling Machine. Milling machine is a machine tool that forms a workpiece as it is fed against a rotating multi-point cutting tool called milling cutter. The cutter rotates at a high speed and it is provided with many cutting edges to remove the metal at a very fast rate. The milling machine can also hold one or more number of cutters at a time. Milling principle. In previous video, we have seen about milling machine. Now, this video shows the milling principle. Milling cutter. Workpiece. In milling process, the metal is removed by feeding the workpiece against the cutter. The cutting edges removes the metal in the form of